Welcome back to Quiz Scooby. Can you guess the memes by song and who's dancing? We have prepared 40 questions. You have 5 seconds to answer each one. Let's get started. Number 1, who is dancing? Great job, that's Minecraft Dance. Can you name this meme? Bingo, it's Zoe. Take a guess.
Scimpanzini bananini, wah wah wah, bananucci monk.
Wow, spot on. It's Chimpazzini Bananini.
Scimpanzini bananini, wah wah wah, bananucci monkey monkey.
Do you know which meme this is? That's right, it's Pink Guards. Can you find how many pink guards are in this image? There are 3 pink guards in here. Who is dancing? Wow, you're amazing. It's Sonic. Any idea who's singing like that?
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up.
You crushed it. It's Genu.
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up.
Identify the meme.
Tralalero tralala, no no no, orcalero orcalà.
You crushed it. It's Orcalo Orcalas.
Tralalero tralala, no no no, orcalero orcalà, scarpa bianca.
Take a wild guess. Impressive. It's cat singing. What meme do you think it is? Nailed it. It's Mira. What do you think of this K-pop Demon Hunters remix?
You wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better not try. Get into a level, 'cause my die, never the time. Trying to start up.
Comment your feedback down below. Try to guess the meme. You're crushing it. It's APT cats. What meme could this be? Correct again. It's Sigma Boy. What meme do you see here? Bingo, Shin Sonic.
Name of the fire, boom boom liar, zoom zoom dire.
Can you tell whose voice is this? Boom! You got it. It's Roomy. Think you know this one? Yep, it's Toothless. Can you tell which one is the odd one out? You got it. Try to guess this song.
Cannot defeat.
Wow, that's right, it's Guima.
Cannot defeat.
Can you tell who's dancing? Yes, that's the one. It's Tung Tung Sahur. Take a guess. Which character do you see?
Everybody, shake your hair and feel united.
Spot on. It's Trolls.
Everybody, shake your hair and feel united.
Can you tell who this is?
Oh no, you'll never know. My force.
What a masterpiece. It's Ladybug.
Oh no, you'll never know. My force will.
Do you know which movie this is?
Lava, chicken, Steve's lava chicken, yes.
Fantastic answer. This is Minecraft. Guess the movie's name if you can. You're amazing. It's Squid Game. Can you find how many pink guards are in this image? There are 3 pink guards in here. Can you guess what movie this is?
Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better not try. Get into a level.
Amazing. It's K-pop Demon Hunter.
Wild. Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better not try. Get into a level.
Any idea who this might be?
Let the storm rain.
That's right, it's Elsa.
Let the storm rage.
Can you guess the movie from this song?
Unless I stuck by you, you're sunflower.
That's the right answer. It's Spider-Man.
Dust. Unless I stuck by you, you're sunflower.
Take a guess. Which character do you see?
I'm chasing teens, I'm always bouncing back like a trampoline.
You are fantastic. It's Chucky.
Now I'm chasing teens, I'm always bouncing back like a trampoline.
What's the name of this character?
Yeah, now we're living the good life, me and my bros.
Impressive. It's Sonic.
Yeah, now we're living the good life, me and my bros.
Guess the real character. Yes, correct answer is B. Can you identify this character? Smart and right, it's Ghostface.
No colors anymore. I want to.
Do you recognize this character?
Someday we could be an item, maybe. Savior, princess, I'm in trouble, save me.
Absolute genius, it's Princess Peach.
Someday we could be an item, maybe. Savior, princess, I'm in trouble, save me.
Can you guess who this character is? Exceptional, it's Dracula.
It was a sing and a sang and a singity dee, and there was only one lady in the sing for me. 'Cause when you think, you better know.
Can you name this movie?
To kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones.
Wow, it's Wednesday.
Has come to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones.
You know what movie this is? Great work, it's Five Nights at Freddy's. Can you tell which one is the odd one out? You got it. Can you guess what movie this is?
They won't believe you. No one believes you.
Excellent job. That's Pennywise.
They won't believe you. No one believes you.
Easy one. Can you guess?
Ding dong, omega.
Brilliant answer. It's Sonic XE.
Ding dong, omega.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Quiz Scooby. Goodbye.